Hello Glider Sim users, this is just a quick update of the latest features I added on Glider Sim, latest update on Steam. Just thought I do a quick highlight of the changes. So if we go to Earth Online now, you notice our data connection problem has been fixed where it would disconnect sometimes. So that's great, that was really annoying, but should be fixed now. Also added two new highlighted locations or featured locations. Got Queenstown, New Zealand and Cape Town, South Africa. Both pretty cool spots, so be sure to check them out. Also note when you change or select the featured location and then go back to custom coordinates, the coordinates will stay instead of switching back. So now you can browse and maybe adjust your location around that featured map spot. Yeah, so for instance, if we go back to Cape Town, map will move there, and then you could go back to custom coordinates and browse Earth, and then you could adjust your location from there. So that's cool. And we'll go ahead and load up Cape Town, South Africa. Take a look really quick, and I'll show you one other cool feature that I think people will like. So the data will load in here from Google. Just go ahead and start our flight. This takeoff is a little shallow, so I added a collider so you get a little more height on takeoff. And yeah, here we are flying in Cape Town, South Africa. Pretty cool spot. Remember, if you find a cool spot like this with good data, be sure to post the latitude and longitude and the location on Discord, and then I'll try to add it in the game. Thanks for the people who've been pointing out locations so far. Alright, so another cool feature, if I hit escape here and go to the map, so map load in, and of course you can take a look at your flight path here. You can do all the zooming and panning, but say we want to take off in a different spot, you can now move the crosshairs to a spot you want to take off. So say we want to take off on top of this mountain here. I'll go ahead and just move my center point there, and then there's this new button here called Launch here, and this will reset the flight to that spot on the map, and the data will load in again. And then go ahead and reposition so we're on top of the mountain here. Let's maybe take off this direction. Also added a platform over there, you can see, but we'll add a little height so we get a clean takeoff, and then we'll start our flight. And there we go, we get takeoff kind of wherever you want now. So if you see a different good starting point, you could just move the center of the map crosshairs where you want and click that launch here button. So yeah, I think people will enjoy that. That's currently on Earth Online only, kind of getting that working here for these maps, and then that feature might make it to the default maps as well. But yeah, this spot has really cool cliffs and cliff textures, so sure to check out the Cape Town scenery on Earth Online. Also note, I made the text a little smaller here on the on your data here, the wind, glide speed, airspeed, vario, and so forth. Makes it a little cleaner. Same with the compass, just kind of shrunk the UI down so it doesn't get in the way so much. And oh yeah, one other feature is if you're in multiplayer and you go to the map, you'll see other players flying around as well, so their arrow or their location will show up as a blue arrow, I believe. So be sure to check out that in multiplayer. You can see your buddies flying around and where they're at on the map as well. So yeah, that's about it with this update. I'll be working on porting this Earth Online stuff to the Quest this coming week here. I'm not sure how long it'll take, but hopefully within November we'll get Earth Online working on the Standalone Quest if all goes well. Alright guys, happy flying, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next video.